Undoy's cake. Kuhain. Ito, pikas. Ay, gisi kay gamit ito na ang karton. Red ribbon. Wala gini edad ani.
Kasi wala da.
Wala edad.
Butang dia 18.
Dek, ato ka na ka.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow your candle now. Make a wish.
Thank you.
Viewers, Andoy here is the baby.
Yeah. He's the youngest one in the
The
family.
youngest one in the family.
Yeah.
And that's so, and of course, and Beth are in the middle, kind of in the middle.
Yeah.
And that,
And then it's the third one, then me and the fourth.
yeah, the third and fourth ones,
Yeah.
and that towards the top. Anyhow, we'll get back to
Yummy.
all part of the family here. So
Wow. And
eat your hearts out, everybody.
So nice.
Oh, chocolate too. Wow. Yeah.
That one, so
we're
many
gonna all
chicken.
sit down
So let's eat.
and enjoy a meal here.
Yeah.
And
Hey guys, let's eat cake. And we're here, Philip, having some cake.
yeah.
And Ondoy at the end, they just have a little piece of cake. But me, I like a lot of cake.
Yeah.
Hey guys, for you.
Was that good, Little?
Yummy, fluffy.
Oh boy. Yeah, very good.
You like it? We still have many food left here. We'll invite somebody. We'll invite Jovi and Marites dahil.
They're probably busy.
Yeah, I know. Everybody today here is busy. Today's the graduation day of public school. All public school here. So we are full really.